Hello everyone, this is Sir Kent and today magkakaroon tayo ng fast drill patungkol po sa ating general education sa ating pong social science. Handa ka na ba? Let's start. Now first question, sino po yung Governor General na nagpautos para i-exile si Rizal sa Dapitan? It's Governor General Dispohol. Sino naman po yung Governor General na nagpautos upang ipapatay si Rizal? It's Governor General Pulavieja. Sino naman po yung Governor General na nag-order na i-execute yung tatlong paring martir? That's Gumburza. No? Sino po yun? It's Governor General Izquierdo. Sino naman po yung Governor General na nag-establish or na nag-implement ng tobacco monopoly? It's Governor General Basco. Kapag tobacco, Basco. Sino naman po yung first Governor General? It's Governor General Miguel Lopez de Legazpi. How about yung last Spanish Governor General? It's Diego de los Rios. Sino naman po yung first Governor General under the Commonwealth? It's Frank Murphy. Now, sino naman po yung first American civil governor? It's William Howard Taft. Sino naman po yung pinakaunang Pangulo ng Pilipinas? It's Emilio Aguinaldo. Sino naman po yung founder ng Katipunan? It's Andres Bonifacio. Sino naman po yung supremo ng Katipunan? It's still Andres Bonifacio. Sino naman po yung the brains of the Katipunan? It's Emilio Jacinto. Pero kapag brain of the revolution, it's Apolinario Mabini. Ano naman po yung date of independence natin mula sa mga Kastila? It's June 12, 1898. How about, ano po yung date of independence natin from the Americans? It's July 4, 1946. Now, saang lugar naman po ipinoklama yung kalayaan ng Pilipinas mula sa mga Kastila? It's Cavite. Now, ano po yung tinaguriang the first Philippine Republic? It's the Malolos Republic. Now, sino naman po yung first president ng Commonwealth? It's Manuel L. Quezon. Kapag naman, sino yung tinaguri ang ama ng wikang pambansa? It's still Manuel Quezon. Sino naman po yung father of social justice? It's still Manuel L. Quezon. Sino naman po yung pinakaunang vice-presidente? It's Mariano Trias. Sino yung tinaguri ang father of Philippine Revolution? It's Andres Bonifacio. Kapag father of Philippine journalism, it's Marcelo H. Del Pilar. Sino yung tatlong paring martir? It's the Gumburza. Ano yung complete names nila? Mariano Gomez, Jose Burgos, at Jacinto Zamora. Now, kailan po yung execution ng Gumburza? It's February 17, 1872 by the order of, again, Governor General Izquierdo. Now, kailan po naganap? Anong taon po naganap yung Cavite Mutiny? It's still 1872. How about yung The Cry of Pugadlawin? It's 1896. That's it for our first part sa ating Gen Ed Soksay na fast drill. This is Sir Ken. God bless everyone.